Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we deep dive into beauty, skincare and self-care. Today I have an exciting revelation to share with you all. I have finally found the best foot and heel repair cream after testing what feels like hundreds of products for my cracked heels. And if you feel struggling with cracked heels or dry feet, or if you just want to keep your feet smooth and soft, especially during winters, then keep watching because this cream might just be your holy grail too. So the product that I'm talking about is this Pheet Cracked Heel Balm. It's available at the nearest chemists and retailers. It's marketed as a heel repair cream, but it's a game changer for your entire foot care routine. And here's what makes it extra special. So it's packed with Manuka Honey, which helps to gently exfoliate dead skin cells and acts as a natural ingredient that moisturizes and heals cracked skin. It repairs cracked heels, deeply moisturizes your skin and keeps your feet soft. So let me tell you my experience with this product. I've been using it for 2 weeks consistently now and my feet have never felt this soft. When I first started, my heels were not cute. They were cracked, dry and honestly a little painful. But after using this just for a few days, I noticed a drastic difference. My skin felt smoother, my cracks started fading and the pain was completely gone by the end of the first week. So here's how I like to use it. So I start by soaking my feet in warm water for about 10 minutes. This just helps to soften my skin and preps it for the cream. Then I gently pat my skin dry with a soft towel and then apply a generous amount of this cream, focusing on the heels and any other dry areas. For best results, I also like to pop on a pair of cotton socks afterward to lock in all the moisture overnight. Now what sets this cream apart is its formula. The Manuka Honey helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells while deeply hydrating the skin, making it soft instantly. It's not at all greasy, it absorbs quickly and you can feel it working almost instantly. It's also stain resistant as well, so if you're looking for a solution for cracked heels or rough patches, or if you just want to keep your feet baby soft, then I highly recommend giving this a try. I will leave the links to purchases in the description box below so you can check that out. If you have already tried this or if you happen to try it out, do let me know your experience in the comment section below. And if you have any holy grail foot favorites, then also comment down below. I would also love to try that out and maybe compare it with this Pheet foot cream. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. You can subscribe to my channel. You can also hit on the notification bell so that you never miss out on any beauty tips and product reviews from me. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.